My dear amigos, come with me. Let's go and explore South America. Let me take you on an adventure to some of the most interesting Spanish-speaking countries in the world. Let's learn about Spanish, but also about the culture and the uniqueness of some of these lands in South America. As of this week, I will be uploading a new format of videos. But don't worry, I will also continue uploading my regular vocabulary phrases videos. And on top of that, we'll experience South America together. We'll also be visiting Spain in the near future. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Let's travel together. Let's learn Spanish together. I will help you with the pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and also cultural awareness. So what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, follow me, and let's start traveling and learning Spanish together.